From yesterday's attack in Mochongoi, Baringo County has risen to 5, and bodies of 2 villagers who had gone missing were recovered today in Lomeyua Forest.
Baringo Senator Gideon Moi visited affected residents and wants the government to take decisive action to end banditry attacks in the county.
A day after bandits attacked Mochongoi area of Baringo, killing 5 people and making away with an unknown number of livestock, affected residents, some of whom fled their homes, gathered in Kabel area.
Manake sahi wengine watoto wamepotea, tujui wako wapi, na sisi tunasema tuko Kenya. Hii Kenya yetu imekuwa shida.
Kwa hivyo sijui tunauawa mpaka lini. Sisi kama vijana tuko na uchungu sana kwa sababu tukianza kupotezana hivyo hatujui tunaelekea wapi, na tunaona wasee hawana matumaini ya mifuko tena, kwa sababu wakipata mifuko inaenda.
Baringo Senator Gideon Moi visited those affected by the latest bandit attack, raising concern over the resurgence of such attacks.
Na kueleza serikali kwamba tunataka watukue hatua na hatua kali kwa hawa criminal elements ambao wamefika, na watu wote waende kwao, kila mtu anakaa kwake kwa wakati huu.
Only recently the government deployed security personnel to the region, but despite their presence, bandit attacks are still going on.
Na nimezungumza na wakubwa ambao watatuletea camp ya JSU hapa Lamaiwe kuchunga usalama ya watu wetu.
Among those who were killed in the Tuesday attack was a teenager.
We have now lost a young man he just finished his Form 4, was about to go to university, from a very humble home. And the family were depending on him and his future, but his life now was cut short because of these criminal elements.
The incident comes barely a week after a standard 7 pupil was shot dead by bandits while herding livestock in Chepkesin area of Baringo North. Rita Tinina, KTN News.